Hey, we're back with the Farmall 140 tractor. We're going to be putting a rebuilt carburetor on it. I went through carburetor, totally rebuilt it. Going to be installing that. We're going to finish installing our spark plugs, and we're going to put a new sediment bowl on the fuel tank. Clean the fuel tank, thoroughly clean the inside of it. It looks as good as new, and so it's ready to go. Put the new sediment bowl on. Get everything all buttoned up and installed. We filed the ignition points, cleaned everything there, and get it all buttoned up and put together, and then see if she'll run. So it's been over 15 years, and I'm excited to see what happens. So got a little helper today, so we're gonna get Matthew, and he's gonna help me put the plugs back in, and while I put the sediment bowl on the tank. So Matthew, you wanna go ahead and get working? Get started? All right, you ready? All right, stand right there. There you go. If you'll finish putting the spark plugs in, we've got one more. All right, that's started. You can go ahead and put those in. There you go. Make sure it's done. You're not quite done yet. Okay. Now we're going to plug in our spark plug wires. You got to do it in the correct order. So we start right here at number 2 o'clock, and that's plug number 1. Where's number 1 at, Matthew? Show me number 1. It's the first one at the front. Right here. See number 1? 1. What's that one?
2.
Okay, that one.
3.
And that one.
4.
Good job. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we've got to plug these in down here in the firing order that's correct, which is 1, 3, 4, 2 clockwise. So we're going to go this one to number 1. Okay. The next one go to number 3. Where was number 3 at? 3. All right. Plug that one in. Got it? There you go. All right, watch out. Let me push it on. There we go. All right. Number 4. Is that number 4? Okay. Push it. Good job. Good job. You got it. All right, and then this one on the very back, it goes to number 2. Okay? Here's number 2. Plug that one in. Okay, so Matthew's got all the spark plugs in. We've got them all plugged up. Let's get the fuel bowl is on the tank, and let's get it all bolted back up, and we'll get some fuel in it. All right, you ready? Let's get down. Yeah, it is. All right, can you help me with these bolts? Come over here. Yeah. We need to get this tractor running. The grass is growing. Mama's not going to be real happy. We better get it done. Can you stand right there? Turn around. Right there. Can you unscrew this one for me? Turn that one out. Don't drop it. Keep turning it this way. Take it out. Turn it some more. There you go. There you go. We got it. All right. Now we've got some bolts on the side over here we've got to get out too, Matthew. See this one right here? Can you turn that one? Can you reach it? drop it. Can we help you? There we go. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so the bolts for the fuel tank on the front bracket, keep in mind, are fine thread, where the bolts on the rear part of the fuel tank are coarse thread. Just pay close attention to that if you ever have to replace one, so you don't cross thread it and mess up your threads. So, all right. All right, we ready?
Yeah.
All right, help me set it on there. Hold it, hold the tank. Got it? Watch your fingers. There we go. Looks like we got it. All right. Put a bolt in back here.
Whoa.
Don't drop them. Hold on to it. Okay, let me help you with that. Got it? Okay, put it in the hole right here. There you go. All right, let me start it. Okay, now you can turn it in, Matthew. There you go. Keep going. More? Yep, we got one more. Keep turning the other one. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Point. Right here. There it is. I got it. You turn this one? Turn this one some more. Turn that one. Got it?
Oh, yeah.
Now we need a wrench, don't we?
I'll go mine. Go wrench.
All right, let me get a wrench.
No, mine wrench.
Just a minute. Let me see it. All right, Matthew, can you tighten that up? Okay, push it the other way. Other way. Gotta hold it for you. Now, keep going. Keep going. More. The other way. Other way. There you go. Keep pulling it. When you finish that one, I'll do mine. Keep tightening. Keep going till it won't go anymore. Pull it. Good job. Got it? All right, that's good and tight. Dad's gonna do his now. We're gonna take a little break, pick some tomatoes in our garden. Come on. Here's a good red one right here. You want me to hold the basket? There you go. All right. Come over here. I see some more. Yes, yes. Here's one. Here's one. All right, let's walk around. Oh, here's one. Easy, gentle. Drop it. Is it getting heavy? Hey Matthew, let's go check our watermelon. Come on. Step over the vine. Don't step on the vine. Step over it. Over it. There you go. Step over it. There you go. All right. Come over here. Do you know where the watermelon is? Stand right here. Right here. Step on the vine. Careful. Right. You're okay. That's good. Look. All right, look, Matthew. See the little curly stem? It's brown and crunchy. See it? That means it's ripe. You want to pick it? All right, break that off. Break the stem off right here. The green one. Break the stem. Pull it off. Whoa! You got it. All right, help me. It's heavy. Bend down. Yep. Got it. All right, got it. Come on. You want to try it? Got another one. Do you see the other one? Where is it? Where? Where's the watermelon? Right there? Yep, you're right. Let me check it. Is the stem brown? Crunchy? Yeah. You want me to pick it? You ready? You want to pick it? All right. All right. Pull the stem. Oh, careful. Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it. Let it go. Help me. Help me. Help. Let me carry it. Look, Matthew. There's our cantaloupe. It's getting ready, isn't it? You want to pick it? All right. See, that one's real green. This one's ripe. Yeah. All right. Yeah, they're yellow. You pull oh, we got the stem. You carry that one. You got it. Step out of there. Carry it over there. I know. Don't drop it.
Oh, hurry.
Whoa. Bring it to the basket.
Hurry.
Come on. Sit it down by the watermelon. There you go. You want to check some more? Well, let me look. I'll look for you. Let's pick this one. Here's one. That one's smaller. That's yours. Hold on to it. I know. Here's another one. Put it over there. We'll hand you some squash, okay?